All right, y'all, this one's listed at $189.9. They have whitewashed it. It is sitting on a nice. It has all the right details. Built in the 80s. Who doesn't like an 80s music? Okay. Tile. Living space. Three-bedroom. 1.5 bath. You do get a walk-in closet. And your half bath. So your refrigerator would go here. These are original cabinets. If you got a dishwasher, it would have to be one on wheels that you could put here. So if you rip this out, you could put your dishwasher in. Of course, you could always go into the laundry room.